No, go left. Yeah, go left. Sorry, I gave you wrong directions there. Is it? Is it?
That's it.
We'll try and get the other side of these mountains.
So which one we're going after?
This one initially at the moment starting to show it's got TVS.
Hey.
That tail end one at the moment is just a big old HP with loads of hail in it. This one here has just got a TVS popped up to rotation off to our left. Hoping this road will get us north of these mountains. We've done a chase around here. Remember when the Dow nearly got struck by lightning?
Yeah. It looks like it takes us through the mountains, and then part of the way through over there, oh, you can see it.
Yeah.
Just that sweep north.
We're going to get that. Well, it's scenic.
It is.
Lone wolf. Oh!
Second one.